Hi guys, welcome to the empty house tour. Come on in. If you guys watched the house hunting journey video and you comment on house number 4, you guessed it right, you guys. We picked house number 4. So here's how the house look. As soon as you walk in to the right hand side, you're gonna have a room there with a closet, which I'm super excited because this is gonna be my office space. It's a really good decent size and I have major projects for this area. So looking forward to decorating this space.
Already packing, come with me. I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place.
Once you leave the office, you're gonna see the main living area, which is an open area, which I'm happy about. We have a formal living area here, and then to the right we have a guest bathroom with a full shower, which I'm super happy for because usually you just have like a powder room, but we have a full guest bathroom downstairs.
Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out.
Now we're gonna walk in into the kitchen area and the family room area. The kitchen was the only thing that the previous owner updated, and I'm happy with the layout. We're just gonna make minor changes in this area, but I love this space. We're gonna put a TV here, a sectional, and this is where we're gonna spend most of our days in this area. So let's go into my favorite part of the house. You guys already know that I was obsessed with this view the minute that I saw this house. And you guys, I love it. I cannot wait to transform this backyard into my personal oasis. I'm looking forward to that. So stay tuned for this video. We are going to be building a pool and changing this backyard around.
A classic cliche. We're on the run. This is what we waited.
Now guys, I'm going to show you the second floor. This is our upstairs. It has laminated wood floors throughout upstairs, and I like that. I have a light fixtures right there on top of the staircase. We're just going to change that up, a nice little view. And then once you go up, we have a little hallway there that I have a plan to do like a gallery wall in this area. So I'm super excited, and we're just going to change the light fixtures throughout the entire house. So here's our master bedroom. I love it. It's a good, decent size, you guys. We have plenty of light that comes in through the windows. We have this really nice, what is it called? Something ceiling. I forgot the name, but we have 2 walk-in closets, which I'm happy for it, and a huge master bath. I cannot wait, you guys, to do the renovations on our master room, which is our master bath and closet. I am super, super excited. I have my little mood board, I have my inspiration boards. This is just gonna be my mini dream house, you guys. I'm telling you, I am a big believer on working with what you have. And we put so many offers and they all got outbidded. And this one was the one that remained. And at one point, I sit down and said, this is the house that God wants us to have, and we're gonna make it work. And here's the bathroom. It's a huge space, like I said, and I'm looking forward to renovating it and sharing that, with you guys on here.
About to see the world in action. What we can be. Life with no distractions. We'll get away. This is what we waited for.
So now I'm going to show you the room that we're going to be using as a guest room, and it's this room right here in the middle. I was originally going to put Jaden on here, but I feel like the other room is bigger. You guys are going to see that in a second. So we're going to be using this as our guest room.
Die with my own doubts.
It's a laundry room. I'm super excited because it's on the second floor and it's a big size laundry room. So I cannot wait. I already have an idea of what I want to do in this space, and I love the space. So we're going to get new washer and dryer, of course, and look at this view. This house has 3 full bathrooms, so this is another bathroom, and this one is in pretty good condition as well, but we're gonna remodel it anyways to make it to our liking. and bring it up to today's code. That's how I like to call it. I like this one because it has a linen closet inside, and this is going to be the bathroom that Jaden will use, so I will definitely keep that in there to store his toys and stuff like that, and towels and stuff. But yeah, here's how it looks. So guys, this right here is Jaden's room. Like I said, you see that it's bigger than the guest room that we're going to be using. All those bookshelves are going to be gone. The previous owner was using this as a library room, but here we're going to be using it as Jaden's room. And I'm excited because we're going to do a custom closet for him and everything. So stay tuned for all those videos. Guys, that was it for this video. I hope you enjoy the empty house tour, and if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe because we are going in full renovation mode, and I'm going to be sharing all those videos with you on here. Take a quick sneak peek at what we have done so far. That wall is gone, so stay tuned for more videos. God bless.